Hey everyone, I'm Chan. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make DIY Shibori inspired pillows. I've been seeing these around a lot lately at different home decor stores, but they usually cost upwards of like $100 to $200. We're going to try and make them today for less than $20 using two different techniques. If you're interested in learning how to make these pillows, please keep on watching.
To get started, you're going to need an indigo dye kit, natural fiber white pillowcases, scissors, popsicle sticks, wooden blocks, rubber bands, RIT dye, a bucket with a lid, salt, dish soap, a plastic drop cloth, RIT color stay fixative, and rubber gloves. Starting with the indigo dye method, you're going to pour indigo dye, soda ash, and your reducing agent into 4 gallons of warm water. Once everything is poured inside the bucket, begin stirring in circular motion slowly. And then cover with a lid. You're going to set it aside for at least 15 minutes, an hour max for the best results. The most basic fold is the accordion fold. You fold it over, flip it, fold it the other way, and flip it again. Then you're going to fold your pillowcase into a square, so accordion fold in a smaller size. And this will frustrate you because it took me several tries to get into a perfect square, but eventually I got it in the end. After that, I put a wooden block on each side of the pillowcase and I secured it with rubber bands. So where the wooden blocks are, that's where the pillowcase is going to be white, and then where it's exposed, that's where the dye is going to seep into. You'll end up with a good looking pattern. This next method, I wanted to create stripes. So you can see I started out with the accordion fold again, and then I took 2 popsicle sticks and sandwiched the pillowcase in between them. And then I secured both ends with rubber bands. I actually ended up creating 2 pillowcases like this, and I do admit this one took the longest amount of time. My last folding technique was the triangle method. This one's pretty simple. All you do is fold over and make a triangle, and then fold it over the opposite direction and make another triangle. And then I ended up securing the ends with rubber bands. I admit this one was a little annoying too, because getting the triangle just right took multiple tries. Here's my 4 pillowcases ready to be dipped in the dye. You're going to submerge your pillowcases into the indigo vat for a few minutes. I think I did both of mine for about 3 minutes. So how this works is you're going to submerge the pillowcases, take them out, let them oxidize for about 20 minutes, and then repeat the whole process. I dipped mine twice. The more times you dip your pillowcases, the darker your fabric's going to be. I'm going to grab the lid and move my indigo vat to the side and start with the RIT dye technique. So you're going to pour in the dish soap, as well as your salt, and stir. As you can see, I'm using a different bucket. I'll be honest, I just didn't feel like cleaning the other one. But you can definitely use the same bucket, you just have to clean it out with soap. So I wanted to make the color aqua, so I used half a cup of aquamarine and a 1/4 cup of teal. And then you just stir it together. I took the remaining pillowcases and submerged them in the dye. You're supposed to leave them in there for about 30 minutes, but I noticed the wood blocks were making the pillowcase float, so I took a glass jar and submerged it underwater as well, and it made the pillowcase stop floating. Once the 30 minutes was up, I rinsed all my pillowcases. Now this next step is purely optional. I added the color stay fix because it's supposed to make the colors brighter, which it did. I'm supposed to add about 1/4 cup, but I think I added up like 7 capfuls. Went a little rogue. After that, you submerge your pillowcases into the color stay for about 20 minutes. As you can see, I only put the pillowcases with the RIT dye into the RIT dye color stay. Once the 20 minutes was up, I rinsed them out. Here are the final results for the triangle method. The square grid pattern, and the popsicle stick stripe. This one actually turned out to be my favorite, so I was really happy that I had 2 of them.
So I feel like someone who has done tie-dye since she was 7. maybe 9, that these came out pretty good. If you recreate these pillows, please tag me on Instagram with the hashtag #MadeByChan. If you have any other ideas for DIYs, please leave them in the comment section down below. Please don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.